Hello, my name's Anna and I'm from Solarfix. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect your Solis inverter to your home Wi-Fi. What you'll need is access to your inverter, your home Wi-Fi name and password, and a mobile phone. So first of all, you're going to forget your home Wi-Fi network. To do this, you go into your settings page, click into Wi-Fi and click into what you're currently connected to and forget this network, as this can really throw off the inverter. Next, what we're going to do is hold the inverter reset button for 40 seconds. To locate the reset button on the data logger, you just run your finger down the back and you will feel a wee bump. Firmly press that in and hold there for 40 seconds. If you have a black data logger stick, you will find the reset button on the front. Once you've held that in for 40 seconds, you're going to release the reset button. You will then see your data logger's serial number on your Wi-Fi dropdown. So you click into it and type in your password, which is the numbers 1 to 9. And hit join. Allow it to load up. And as you can see, we are now connected, and you can see up in the right hand corner of your phone that you are connected. So you'll see here that it says no internet connection. That is okay. Still proceed. Flick out of your settings and go on to the Safari on your phone. We are then going to type in a number of sequence, which is 10.100.254 and hit go. So we are now on the data logger login page. You're going to use the username admin with the lowercase a, followed by the password, which is the same again of the numbers 1 to 9, and hit sign in. Now this brings you to the data logger login page. You're looking down the left hand side for Quickset. You want to click on Quickset and move over to the search bar, which is where you will find your home Wi-Fi name. So you just click on that and hit OK. Then you're going to type in your home Wi-Fi password. And then you're going to hit save. As you can see, it takes 10 seconds for successful connection. So we're just going to leave it on this page for a few seconds. As you can see now, the net light is solid green, which shows that you are successfully connected to your home Wi-Fi.